Okay, today we're going to look at subtraction equations, which is still the same process. We're going to be looking at whole number one-step equations with subtraction. So, first we're going to look at our problem. We have 78 equals s minus 15. That's an s. That looks like a 5. So first we do what? First we isolate the variable. So let's isolate that variable or the letter, put a box around it, and I'm also going to divide my equal sign so I have one side of the equation and the other side of the equation. We know that they have to balance out. So I need to get rid of minus 15. So the opposite or inverse operation of minus or subtraction is addition. So we're going to add 15 over here. Whatever I do on this side, I have to do on the other side. So I'm adding 15 over here. This cancels out. I'm left with just the letter S equals. I add, and I get 93. To check my answer, I can put this 93 in the place of this S in the original problem. S, so 93 minus 15. 78, which is what I had gotten over here, so I know that my answer does check out. Okay, this is what we just did. We added the 15 to both sides, got S equals 93, checked our answer, and it did check out. Okay, let's look at some more. X minus 9 equals 21. Okay, first, isolate that variable. We have X. Divide my equation into two sides. Complete the opposite operation. I'm going to add 9 here. That cancels out. I'm left with just X equals 30. If I check my answer, I can put this 30 in the place of X. 30 minus 9 equals 21, which is the same thing I already got there. 2 is 14 equals X minus 3. Step 1, isolate that variable and divide our equation in half. Now I have minus 3 here. I need to get rid of that. So to do that, I do the inverse operation or the opposite operation, which is adding 3. Whatever I do over here, I have to do over here. 4 plus 3, 7, so 17. I can put 17 in the place of this X in my original problem. 17 minus 3 is 14, which equals 14, so yes, that is correct. Okay, let's do one more. Let's try 3, X minus 7 equals 11. Isolate the variable, divide our equation in half. I'm going to do the opposite here on both sides. So X equals 18. I put 18 in the place of X. 18 minus 7 does equal 11. So yes, that does check out. Number 4, 16 equals X minus 14. Isolate that variable, divide the equation in half. Minus 14 is over here with the variable. We need to get rid of that. So I'm going to add 14 to both sides. I'm left with X equals 30. If I put 30 in the place of X, 30 minus 14 is 16. So yes, that checks out. Tomorrow we will do more of these in class and go over your notes questions. You should have a few questions down at the bottom to answer.